We are team number 1, also known as the Sust Squad. We teamed up to work with the Trustees and Josh Knox on the Land of Providence Habitat Management Project. We decided to work on this project because not many people know about invasive species and how harmful they are to our environment. This organization's mission is to educate others on this matter and how to properly remove them.
During our time at Land of Providence, our team worked to clear buckthorn, honeysuckle, and oriental bittersweet, all of which are invasive species found in the Northeast. Bittersweet wraps around existing trees to reach towards the sun, but damages them in the process.
Honeysuckle is a shrub that shadows over the other native shrubs and takes away the moisture from the soil. Buckthorn also replaces native species, as its fruit is consumed by birds and the seeds are spread over wide ranges, greatly lowering the species diversity of the environment.
To remove the invasive species properly, the roots are cut off closely to their base and untangled from the native species. The base of the invasive species is then marked with a ribbon.
Species are here at this park.
Oh my goodness. 15, 20? I don't know. There's a lot here.
And have you noticed increasing numbers or decreasing numbers over the years?
No, we're definitely slowly making a difference. This year was the result of, 5 years worth of work on this site, the culmination of 5 years of work on this site. It's finally opening up. We're finally seeing a lot of native species that weren't even here that have now grown up. The floodplain forest is fleshing out. We have bald eagles downstream, so this is an important nesting area, potential habitat. Quite urban, so this floodplain forest is important. An important spot for the wildlife and also for us. To be able to have access to the river to take a look.
And are you out here all year round clearing invasive species, or is it mostly spring?
We work year round. We were definitely here on this site all throughout the winter because it's a little bit easier when the leaves aren't out to see things. In some ways it's easier when the ground's frozen. So we were definitely here during the winter, but our tasks are seasonal. We do different things at different times of the year.
Right.
Civic engagement is a way to get ourselves involved and give back to the community, which in this case we volunteer to remove invasive species. Currently there's an estimation of 50,000 in the U.S. alone, and it costs $120 billion yearly to fix and control the damages they cause. This amount of money would have covered the EPA's budget 8 times. Removing them promotes sustainability because it helps the environment increase their biodiversity, and it decreases the cost and toxicity to the environment. We would like to thank the Trustees and Josh Knox for giving us the opportunity to learn about invasive species and how to make the environment become more sustainable for us and the natives.